Welcome to AGCO and happy Manufacturing Day. My name is Tim Millwood and I lead AGCO's global supply chain. We are responsible for the planning, purchasing, manufacturing, and logistics needed to produce and deliver AGCO's award-winning farm equipment solutions. This includes tractors, combines, sprayers, and planters through our well-known brands such as Massey Ferguson, Valtra, and Fendt. I'm excited that you are a part of our Manufacturing Day event, when we open our doors to showcase what modern manufacturing looks like to students all around the world. Hopefully, we will demonstrate to you the great career opportunities that are available to you in manufacturing, not only at AGCO, but in industries around the globe. I wish I could be with you in person today because Manufacturing Day means a lot to me personally. But of course, I can't be in so many sites all in one day. Manufacturing Day is really important to me because of the career and life that working in manufacturing has provided for me and my family. I was fortunate to have a great teacher in high school that stressed the importance of STEM, science and math education, to me and my friends to challenge myself not only in high school, but later in college at Georgia Tech. 30 plus years later, I've had the opportunity to work in many different states and countries. Amazing experiences due to working in manufacturing. I hope all of you can be inspired and challenge yourselves in school as well. Here at AGCO, we have an amazing global team working in supply chain and manufacturing, challenging ourselves every day to team up, to speak up, and find ways to put our farmers first. Feeding the world is a major challenge for farmers worldwide, and that challenge will grow as the world's population increases to almost 10 billion people by 2050. Agricultural equipment manufacturers like AGCO need people like you to lend your talents, your creativity, and commitment to help create the best solutions for farmers feeding the world, today and tomorrow. We need creative problem solvers like you that share your passion to make a difference in the world by putting farmers first. We invite you all to join us on our journey to deliver farmer-focused solutions to sustainably feed our world. I hope you enjoy your visit today. Be sure to follow all the safety instructions, super and critical to keep you safe in the plant today. And keep AGCO in mind as you consider a career in manufacturing. Thanks again for spending your day with AGCO.